if you could breathe underwater? Hi, amazing scientists. I'm Elsa Leo Scientist, and today we're diving deep into a big question. What if you could breathe underwater? Imagine swimming like a mermaid, talking to turtles and never needing to come up for air. So if we had gills, we'd need really big ones on our necks. Oops, our bodies just aren't made for it. But scientists are trying some cool things, like underwater breathing masks and even learning from fish DNA. Who knows? One day we might really breathe underwater like superheroes. And water has less oxygen than air, so you'd need to breathe a lot. Sounds cool, right? But here's the science. Humans breathe air with lungs. Fish breathe water with gills. As soon as I tried to breathe underwater, I coughed really hard. What would you do if you could live underwater? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Elsa Leo, signing off with Bubbles.